Hi guys, welcome to AVC. Today's going to be a quick juice review. A little while ago I got sent a starter kit from LiQuid here in the UK. They also sent me some of the juices. They sent me 4 short fills and 4 10ml bottles. Now LiQuid are really well known for their prices. The 10ml bottles are going to be £1. The 50ml short fills are going to be £4. When you buy the 10ml bottles on the website, depending on your strength of nicotine, will be the ratio of your PG/VG. Put a chart here what I mean by that. I know that because mine are 3 milligrams. My VG/PG is 60/40 in the 10 mils. In the 50ml short fills, it's going to be 80/20, 80 VG, 20 PG. This review, I'm going to do 2 short fills and 2 10 mils. Reason why I'm doing that is because some of my 10ml bottles are simple one flavors. So I want to mix and match it a little bit. The short fills I'm going to be doing is going to be the strawberry and lime. And of course, menthol. And in the 10ml bottles, I've got the blackcurrant. And I've got the cherry ice menthol. Going to be vaping most of these in my recurve RDA on my Vape Nano. The last juice, the cherry ice menthol, I've got already in the starter kit that I reviewed yesterday. Didn't see that review. The link up here for that. Or here, should I say. So yeah, like I said, first juice is going to be the strawberry and lime. Already juiced it up in here. Let's give it a quick taste, shall we? Now with this strawberry and lime, straight away I'm getting that nice sweet strawberry flavour. But then instantly a really tart lime flavour. Some lime vapes are quite sweet. This one has a slight bite to it, I must say. The strawberry is really nice and sweet. It's not going to be too much of a fresh strawberry. It's kind of candy, sweety sort of flavour. But then that lime kicks in at the back of it. It's a really nice, strong, citrusy sort of lime. I do like that one. Gives it a nice punch at the back of your throat. Like I say, the strawberry is really sweet. The lime is going to be really sharp. It's a good combination, mixing them together. Nice and smooth, because it's going to be 80 VG. It's a really smooth vape, I must say. The aftertaste is a nice sweet strawberry and a hint of lime. That lime fades really quickly. It's like in your face for a second and then it fades away. Yeah, that's a real nice mix of strawberry and lime, I must say. I do like the lime in this one. It has a nice sharpness. It's not overly sweet, but like I said, the strawberry is slightly sweet. Really? Sorry about that. Yeah, the strawberry is rather sweet, but not too sweet. It's not going to be a fresh strawberry. It's a slightly candy strawberry, but that lime flavour is really good. So yeah, that was the strawberry and lime. The next one's going to be the 10ml blackcurrant. Going to change the cotton. Be right back. So yeah, here we are, the second one. It's going to be the blackcurrant. Like I said, mine's going to be 3 milligrams, so it's 60/40 VG/PG. Again on the recurve. Let's have a quick taste. And that is a really nice, sweet blackcurrant flavour. Not overly sweet, but quite sweet. It's quite a fresh blackcurrant, I must say. It's not a sweetie. Really nice. It's like a blackcurrant juice. That's all it is. It's just a blackcurrant. There's not much I can say about it because it's going to be a single flavour. It's a blackcurrant. Nice and sweet, but not overly sweet. It's a fresh blackcurrant. It tastes a bit like a blackcurrant juice, like I said. But yeah, that's all I can say. It's a blackcurrant. It's really nice. It's really fresh blackcurrant and sort of juicy. When I first started vaping, I vaped on just an Apple vape. If you are a new beginner, you just sort of stopped smoking, you might want to buy some of these more complex e-liquids. They might scare you. you may think, you know, I know what an apple is, I know what an orange is. You may go for these small, simple little e-liquids, one flavour. Like I said, when I first started vaping, I vaped for about 5 months purely on an apple vape, and then I went more onwards afterwards. They have their place because people do like single flavours. It's not for me personally. I now like more complex flavours. But you want a nice, simple, fruity blackcurrant. Yeah, it's quite nice. Like that one. Nice, juicy, fresh. Let's go to the next one, which will be the Menthol. Going to quickly clean this out. Change the wick. Be right back. Okay, here are the third juice, which is going to be the Menthol. Again, it's going to be the short fill, so it's 80-20 VGPG. Forgot to say these short fills, I did 1 nick shot to make them 3 milligrams. Again, the recurve. Let's try Menthol. You know my channel, you know I'm not keen on really strong menthol. Some people like that, some people don't. I don't mind a hint of menthol in a mix of other flavours, but just menthol by itself is not my sort of thing. But that is a really strong, in the back of your throat menthol flavour. Slightly minty as well, slightly sweet. Yeah, it's not one that I could vape all day. It's a bit too much for me, but that's not the juice, that's me personally. I'm not a big menthol vapor, as you all know. But if you like a nice menthol vape, that one, the menthol, is really nice. Don't think there's any cool odor in there, but I'm getting a nice coldness at the back of my throat. It's a really in-your-face menthol in your nostrils. Not one I could vape at all day, but like I say, if you like a nice menthol, you'll like that one. Going to try the third one now. Now the third juice, don't need to change it around. I've already got it here. This is going to be the Cherry Ice Menthol. Now yesterday I did a review for the LiQuid Pro Kit. If you didn't see that, like I said, there'll be a link up here for that. I've got this filled up with the Cherry Ice Menthol. In the review yesterday, I didn't give a description of the juice because I knew I was going to be trying it today. This kit, I must say, is really nice for a beginner. I've been enjoying it the last few days. Now, Cherry Ice Menthol. Again, it's going to be menthol, but it's mixed with something else. I quite like this one, I must say. That cherry is very much like a tunes sort of flavour. And that menthol, again, it's like a tunes. It really is a sweety menthol cherry flavour. But that menthol isn't overpowering. There's a hint of it, but not too much. Not like the pure menthol one. A really nice cherry menthol sweetie flavour. The aftertaste is a nice cherry as well. I must say, I do like this one. I could probably vape this one all day quite easy, actually. But like I said, it is mentholated, but it's not overly menthol. That cherry is a nice cherry. A sweetie cherry, not a fresh cherry. But for £1, these little 10ml bottles are really, really good. The short fills at £4 is really good value. The strawberry on lime, really nice. A nice sweet strawberry and a nice sharp, tart lime flavour. And the menthol, it's a menthol. If you like menthol, you'll like that one. But it really is a strong menthol, I must say. This one, the Cherry Ice Menthol, is nice. Out of the 4, funny enough, I will pick this one, the Cherry Ice Menthol. It's a nice refreshing change to all the fruits and bakeries. It's a nice sweetie flavour and a nice hint of menthol without being overpowering. Yeah, I do like those, I must say. So that's those 4 from LiQuid. I've got 2 more short fills and 2 more 10ml bottles. Big thank you obviously to LiQuid for sending them my way and for sending me the starter kit to try. As you know, I can't put links down below in my description, but down below is a link to my website. My website, there's vendors pages. On the vendors page, LiQuid is already there. I reviewed them about a year ago, year and a half. Been enjoying these ones, I must say. Like I said, I've got 2 more short fills, 2 more 10mm to do next week. So yeah, guys and girls, hope you like the video. If you did like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you dislike it, of course, give me a thumbs down. And yeah, I will see you all on the next one.